engaging in a mission.
Yes, and now prepare to go to the public shower.
Yes, marina shower.
Yes.
It will be for the first time.
First time,
yeah,
so-
it's not that we didn't went to the public showers before, but it's just.
I never go
For real?
to public
Okay,
shower.
yeah.
No.
So yeah, this is the first time we are researching how does that look.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, it's a bit cold.
Yes.
So that's another thing about going to shower and why it's so, well, interesting to us, I would say.
Yeah.
7642.
4-2.
4-2. Then. Oh. It's open. Wow, looks nice. Yeah, it's so nice.
It's great. Everything is clean. There is a separate shower and separate room for the take clothes off or on. So the water was hot. For me, it was hot and it was really nice. And what about you?
No, it's great. It's a lot better than I honestly expected. I know
Oh.
that usually showers in marina are fine,
Yes,
nice.
we
clean.
were in Greece
Yes,
marina and
yes.
it was so bad.
Yeah. Some of those are really bad. Private marinas are different, but they are a lot expensive, a lot more expensive. But here in Urk, we're just like very pleased with everything, complete like with docking, with the city, with the view, with the lake that looks like a sea, with shower facilities, so everything nice and then perfect. And you pay only like €20 per night, which is I think very cheap for what they
Yeah.
offer. Instead, you have a great Wi-Fi. For that price, the electricity is free and water is free.
So,
Yeah, good. Okay. Cheers.
cheers.
This is your glass. As we were not sailing for quite some time, I noticed my crew is struggling with handling lines. It was a very nice weather and a perfect time for them to relearn what they already knew. Sometimes the question to ask yourself is, can you be too careful when you are sailing? The answer is very simple. You can't be too careful when you're sailing. Even on a beautiful day like this. No wind, the water is steady, so what could possibly go wrong? Oh.
stern line got stuck on a short clit. This caused a little bit of panic on a deck. The result was Maja almost fell into the water. It was very cold. And the consequence... oh, I just cannot think about it.
Sail, and now we are sailing to Enkhuizen.
Okay, now it's relaxed. I almost lost my wife and my heart is literally jamming up. I'm feeling like something here pumping still, and I feel very anxious about it, but now it's good. We are cruising around, well, 3 knots, so we wanted to take it easy, slow and easy, because we are not in a hurry. We just want to enjoy this beautiful day on IJsselmeer this time. And very important thing, we figured out that basically this is our first, well, for us, wintertime sailing. Today it's around, I think, 5 to 10 degrees maximum. Now it's maybe around 7, I don't know. But it's beautiful, and what we discovered is that we need to buy or to get a lot better clothing for this weather. And when I say better, you can do like I did. This is a sailing jacket, but you know, this is not for sailing by any means, unless it's summer. So we used the old Indian trick, and we greased our feet with some cream for my wife. Sorry to take that, but now my feet smell nice. And yeah, so next season probably, or maybe this September or October, we are going to get proper sailing trousers, sailing boots and stuff like that. It's quite important when you are sailing in the weather that's not summer. In summer it's easy.
See you in Enkhuizen.